Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Skilldouble. I know why you have clicked on this video and you want to know whether Microsoft PL 300 Data Analyst exam is an open book exam or not. So we will discuss on this in this video. Stay tuned with me. So guys, I've given this exam in December 2024, and my thought previously was like it's going to be an open book test, so I can easily search through the Microsoft Learn website, which is the option that they are going to give as an open book. So you can go to Microsoft Learn, use the search option it has, and try to get the uh, article or the pages that is related to that particular concept of keyword that you are trying to search. However, the catch here is it's going to take some time for you to get to the proper article or to the proper page that you're trying to search. So, guys, you know that there is a time limit for the exam, like it's around 1 hour 20 minutes or 1 hour 30 minutes. It depends, and there'll be 55 to 60 questions. Correct. So you hardly have 2 minutes to answer one question. So that is the reason it's not feasible for you to always use the Microsoft Learn option and try to search the answer. It's not going to be like that. It's like hardly few questions, especially for which you have any doubt. You can flag those questions, and then I would suggest is to at the end of the exam try to use this option because it's not that easy as you think. Like you can go ahead and try to search it in the Microsoft. So advice is like this. First, you flag the questions for which you have doubt and you feel you want to use the open book option that is using the Microsoft Learn option. Next option or next suggestion would be is like you try to use the Microsoft Learn search option to search certain topics or any keyword for which you always have any doubt, or if you uh, cannot recollect certain things. Like for example, I had issue with understanding the different scenarios of join. Uh, that is inner join, outer join. Those I used to always had some or the other doubt. I used to have challenges to recollect. To do is go to Microsoft Learn, go into the search box, and then try to search it, and then try to find the proper location of it. So that is how, like for few topics which I had doubt, I try to go into Microsoft Learn and try to understand how to quickly search those topics. Those are a few quick tips that I had for the exam. But for the exam, you have to definitely do the hard work of preparing it. And the open book is going to just be a little support for you during the exam. You have to do a lot of practices and preparation for this exam because it's not going to be easy. So stay tuned, guys, for such informative videos. If you like my video, then please give me a thumbs up and support my channel, and also do subscribe it. Also, guys, I want your feedback about on the videos, and if you have any questions about the exam, please put it in the comment box. See you soon. Till then, take care and bye for now.